Welcome to quizfunfest. Ready for a trivia quest? Then let's go. Here's the first one. Which of these is the flag of France? A, B or C? It's A. I'm sure you got it right. Number 2. What color do you get when you mix red and blue? Maroon, brown, or purple? Right. It's purple. Number 3. What sport are the LA Dodgers known for? Baseball, basketball, or rugby? It's baseball. Number 4. Which of these is found in a river? Seaweed, water hyacinth, or kelp? Water hyacinth. The other two are found in the sea. Number 5. Jersey refers to a breed of what animal? Dog, sheep, or cow? Of course, it's cow. Enjoying the quiz? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 6. William Hanna and Joseph Barbera created which popular animation? Tom and Jerry. Number 7. What is the main ingredient in ketchup? Tomato, pumpkin, or carrot? It's tomato. Number 8. What material was the first computer mouse made of? Wood, leather, or glass? Right. It's wood. Number 9. How many yards make a mile? 1740, 1750, or 1760? 1,760 yards. Here's something different. Spot 3 differences before the time runs out. There they are. Did you find them? Here's a bonus one. What's the maximum number of teeth an adult can have? 30, 32, or 36? Share your answer in the comments below. Number 11. Which of these hats is a fedora? A, B, or C? It's C. A is a top hat while B is a deerstalker. Number 12. Which of these are you likely to find in Iceland? Forest, volcano, or mosquito? A volcano. Number 13. Which of these is a pit bull? A, B, or C? Right. C is a pit bull. Number 14. Which of these is not a part of China? Hong Kong, Osaka, or Macau? Right. Osaka is a part of Japan, not China. What's the scientific name for salt? Sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, or sodium hydroxide? It's sodium chloride. Number 16. What's the currency of Mexico? Is it dollar, peso, or real? It's peso. Number 17. What's the square root of 676? 24, 26, or 28? Right, it's 26. Number 18. Which country has the most islands? Finland, Sweden or Norway? It's Sweden. Which of these is not the work of Vincent van Gogh? The Mona Lisa, Starry Night or Café Terrace at Night? The Mona Lisa. Number 20. Name the only country that starts with the letter Q. There are no options for this one. It's Qatar. Who was the first lady to win a Nobel Prize? Was it Selma Lagerlöf, Bertha von Suttner or Marie Curie? Marie Curie, for her pioneering research on radiation. What is the national sport of South Korea? Taekwondo, Sirem or kickboxing? It's Taekwondo. Gertrude Aderly was the first lady to swim across which water body? The Catalina Channel, the English Channel or the Strait of Gibraltar? The English Channel. Number 24. Which popular monument or structure do you find in the city of Agra in India? Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal or Konark Temple? The Taj Mahal. Number 25. Complete the phrase, birds of a feather, move together, stay together, or flock together? Right, birds of a feather, flock together. Number 26. During the historic Boston Tea Party, where was tea dumped? There are no options for this question. Tea was dumped into the Boston Harbor. Number 27. The spicy curry-style vindaloo originated from which country? Turkey, India or Portugal? Portugal. Number 28. What's the capital of Uzbekistan? Tashkent, Ashgabat or Astana? It's Tashkent. Number 29. How many bones are there in a shark's body? 0, 1 or 2? That's right. No bones in a shark's body. Here's something different. Pick the odd one out. That's the one. Choose your next challenge from those shown.